And now we're going to be talking about postures. Okay? When it comes to your posture, you basically want to roll your shoulders back. Okay? Chest out, shoulders back. You don't really have to say much when you tell a model, fix your posture or shoulders back. They get it. Now here's the thing about posture. You don't notice it, okay? And it won't hurt you if you don't have the best posture. You can only make the picture better if you have better posture. A lot of times the posture is just normal. Everything is perfect. People's like, okay, great. You fix the posture, it looks better. Okay? It's as simple as that. So you want to pose better. If you want to pose someone better, at any moment towards the end of the pose, simply say, posture, shoulders back. Instantly the picture, you're going to see something. So you have everything posed perfectly, right? And then you say posture, they stretch back, it looks a little bit better. Simple as that. They're sitting down, I'm like posture, they go like this, it looks better. It's a simple, quick way to make the picture or pose look a little bit better. Okay? We'll show you examples of bad posture and good posture so you can see the difference. Okay? This one's right here in the horse, it's good posture because you can see that the shoulders are rolled back, the chest is forward. That looks very strong and beautiful. Shoulders back, you see this here. This here, it looks awesome. The shoulders are back. Great, great posture. Shoulders back again here. Chest out. Great posture there. Great posture here. You could see this. If the shoulders were forward, it wouldn't have looked as good. Posture there too. Chest up. Shoulders back. Posture there again, shoulders back. It helps with the curve here because you have the right posture. Here is bad posture right there. You see it, the shoulders forward here. The shoulder would have been back, it would have been a better picture. She's like this on the side instead of this. This. Difference. Slight but important. Here, same thing. Could have had it back, it would have looked more interesting. There, great posture. Shoulders back. She's doing this, she has it back. It looks very, very, very nice. Shoulders back again, looks good. Shoulders back again, looks good. Shoulders back again, it looks good. Okay. And that's it. So posture, just pull it back. You're going to get a better picture. Very simple to do. Think about it when you're posing or when you're posing somebody. Posture. Usually towards the end. Get the pose just right. And then at the very end, push back.